Now in this video, we're looking at how to find trending cryptos before they blow up. What are you going to do? You come to CoinMarketCap. You're going to see this side of the your CoinMarket, just at the front side. You see trending coins, on dex scan. This is actually trending coins on the that are scanned, that have been scanned most recently. So now you're going to see trending. You see Dogecoin spearheading the trends. This is why. This is the reason. Just in Grayscale files for Dogecoin ETF with NYSE. So you see, so this is actually why Dogecoin has been trending. But now, if you go to some pump fund and other meme generating sites, you're going to see many derivatives of Dogecoin. It's actually a good way to trade meme coin if you know the coins that are trending. Now, looking at these ones that are trending on scan, these are actually what people are trading on right now. The last time I checked this, it was just 1.9 million. But most times, these are not. This is not real Kanye West coin. I'm not sure it is. So, what are you going to do now to be sure if it is or it is not? You kindly just copy the CA. Probably copy CA. Go to X and see what people are saying about it. We must have copied the CA and go to go to X now, or formerly known as Twitter. Paste the CA to know what people are saying. So you hack Kanye's page and airdrop 40% of supply to yourself. You see. So this is actually a very old coin, probably from, because seeing people talking about it from March 15th, and it's trending now. Maybe something is cooking. There could be something. Yeah, back on the map. Never sell your dust. So this is it. If you're looking at this now, this is actually how to find trends and know what is going on in the space using CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko as well.